Hey, hi. My name is Hena and I am from Livewire Empowerment, the company who has an objective of healing and empowerment. So, in this endeavor, I am bringing to you 7-day EFT challenge. Now, what is this 7-day EFT challenge? So, first of all, what is EFT? So, EFT is called Emotional Freedom Technique, which uses certain acupressure points on our body to release the emotional charge. Why do we need to release the emotional charge? So that we do not get triggered. For example, if I feel that I am weak, but I don't admit that I am weak, because when I say I am weak, it brings me some charge. So I may not be able to work on this unless I release the charge. So it's important to release the charge, and we do this by EFT technique. So EFT uses certain acupressure points in our body to release the emotional charge on whatever the shadow quality that we have. Okay, now what is shadow quality? Shadow quality का मतलब वो होता है कि ऐसी चीजें जो हमारे अंदर है पर हम एक्सेप्ट नहीं कर सकते. मतलब मैं वीक हूँ और मैं लेकिन पब्लिक के सामने बोलूंगी नहीं 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 मैं तो स्ट्रांग हूँ, या फिर मुझे किसी चीज को देख के डर लग रहा है तो मैं कहूंगी नहीं आई एम स्ट्रांग, आई एम ब्रेव. सो समथिंग we don't accept, we don't admit are called shadow qualities. So, but when we try to admit that, we are becoming unpleasant. Discomfort is happening, and we are, not able to accept that. Certain discomfort is there, displeasure is there. So, how do we remove the charge on that? So, that's why I'm bringing this 7-day EFT challenge. So, each day we are focusing on each energy center. Now, what is energy center? Energy centers, as we all know in India, it's called chakra. So we have 7 chakra in our body, 7 energy center. The first one is just below the spine, which is called root chakra, which is responsible for grounding, for safety, security, money. And the second one is just above the root and just below the navel, which is called sacral chakra. What is sacral chakra seat for? It is for passion, for beauty, for freedom, for creativity. And then the next one is called solar plexus, which is just near the navel. It is powerhouse. It is responsible for confidence, power, for self-belief. And then next one is here, which is called our home center. It's called heart chakra, where we feel love, gratitude, appreciation. So this is the center of gratitude. And then we have throat chakra, which is for expression, expressiveness, authentic expression of self, and whatever we want to achieve, our purpose, is expression of purpose, sharing our gifts through throat. And then we have this third eye, which is for vision, mental clarity, intuition. And then we have here crown chakra, which connects to us, to our soul, and it is also for our enlightenment. So these are 7 energy centers. So each energy centers get imbalanced or gets blocked because of certain beliefs that we have in every centers. So we will focus on those shadow qualities which we do not accept in each 7 days on each energy centers. We will use EFT to release the charge on those shadow qualities. So EFT, I was telling what is EFT. EFT is acupressure points in our body. The first one is the fleshy point is called carotid chop. So we tap here, and the second is crown point here, in the center of the head. Then here, third eye. फिर इसके बाद ये वाला cross, then cheekbone, then here upper lip, chin, then collarbone, and then underarm. So these are the 7 points where we tap, and there are 2 sentences that we say when we tap. The first sentence is, even though I feel whatever is the negative emotion or negative quality that we feel about ourselves. And the second sentence is, even though I feel the quality, the shadow quality, I still love and accept myself completely, is the second sentence. So while tapping, we will use this sentence so that to release the charge. Why we need to embrace and embody our, negative emotions. Why? Because as I told you, not to affirm that we want to be that and not to embody that quality, but we are embodying this so that we can release the charge and bring balance in our, self, in our all energy center, because it is said it's better to be whole than be good. So let's become whole and do this EFT challenge, and I hope this is going to be useful for everyone. Let's begin. Thank you so much.